Woohoo!
What do you think, Emmy?
Do you like him?
Now can I hold him?
Shh.
It's Emmeline's turn right now.
You kiss him right on the
Honk,
head.
honk.
Aww. You guys are good.
Interesting.
Look at his. Oh, he's yawning. Big yawn. Oh.
Can
so
someone
cute.
take this off?
Can you say Benjamin?
Benjamin.
Benjamin.
Oh, he opened his eyes.
He knows what his name is.
Say hi, Ben.
Hi, guys. Hey, look at his teeth. Does he have teeth?
No.
He just has gums.
What?
His teeth have to grow in like your teeth grew in.
Does
And
he,
Emmeline's
does
teeth
he
grew
have
in.
this tiny, like this tiny? Does he have this tiny?
He has no teeth.
Like just zero?
0 teeth.
It's all gone.
They're all gone.
Hey, where's that tickle?
It's just a pillow, I think.
Now can I hold him? No, that's not a dog.
I don't think Emily